How to deposit funds into OKX. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can deposit funds into your OKX. So then, to begin with the procedure, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with the procedure, you need to go ahead and log in into your OKX account. So once you're logged in, that's going to show you the interface something like this. So basically, to deposit funds, you need to make sure that you've already linked your bank account or the payment source. Then click on the asset icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Here you can see there is this filled as deposit, or you can go to the funding and then click on the deposit button. So basically, to do any sort of activity on OKX or any other crypto app, you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. In my case, I'm not verified, so I have to first of all verify my identity. So to verify your identity, you'll have to go through this phase. So just go ahead and enter in the information, and you have successfully verified your account. After verifying, you'll have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to deposit and all sort of payment source and all that, and then you'll be notified that you have successfully deposited on OKX. So that's basically how you can deposit on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.